Hey everyone, if you need to remove a contact from an automation in ActiveCampaign, this tutorial is for you. Whether you're ending a campaign early or excluding certain contacts, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get to it. All right, let's go to the Contacts tab in ActiveCampaign and find the contact that you want to remove. All right, so you can click on that contact and you can click Edit and remove from automation, say automation 15, and click Remove and then Apply. Says you're editing one contact, apply changes cannot be canceled or undone. Are you sure you want to apply changes? Yes. Your contacts are now being edited. Okay. All right, so I think that's one way. Another way would be to open their profile and see which automation they're currently in, and then click on that and you can remove the contact from the automation. And you can also set up an automation rule that automatically removes contacts when certain conditions are met. For example, if a contact completes a purchase, you could automatically remove them from a sales email sequence. All right, so this is a great way to keep your automations clean and make sure your contacts aren't receiving irrelevant emails. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, check out the free trial link in the description and start optimizing your marketing workflows today.